Welcome back to another exciting episode of Vegetable Quiz Fun. Get ready for another thrilling journey through the world of vegetables, where we'll uncover fascinating facts and delicious recipes. Let's dive into the 6th episode. Here's how it works. You'll be shown an image of a vegetable, and you'll have 3 options to choose from. After you make your guess, we'll reveal the correct answer and share a fun fact about that vegetable. Let's get started. Our first mystery vegetable is here. Take a look and choose the correct name. Let's reveal the answer. You guessed it. The correct option is A. It's an onion. Onions come in various colors like white, yellow, and red. Onions are not only flavorful but also incredibly versatile in cooking. Now, let's see if you can identify this unique veggie. Let's see if you're right. Correct. The right option is B. It's a bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is known for its mild flavor and high water content. Bottle gourds are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Time for our final vegetable challenge. Can you guess this aromatic herb? Let's see if you're right. You got it. The right option is C. It's cilantro. Cilantro is known for its distinctive flavor and aroma. Cilantro is not only a flavorful herb, but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Well done, little quiz masters. You've successfully identified these unique and nutritious vegetables and herbs. Stay tuned for more fun challenges and veggie adventures in the next episode of Vegetable Quiz Fun.